Here. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay.
She got her hands up to the roof. I gotta tell the fucking truth. I love the vibe. And I'm not trying to cut her loose. I just got way too much to lose. And we on, baby.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have Leo. Look, girl. Okay, so as you see, today we're gonna do a mukbang or whatever. Is that what it's called? Huh? Yeah, a mukbang, mukbang. We have Ree on the song. I mean, on the phone. He just dropped. Huh?
What should I eat?
We eating. I'm about to explain. I mean, take it out in a second.
I'm finna pull up with that shit, bro.
It's lobster tail, crab legs.
Okay, can we go? Cause I'm hungry.
Right. Okay, so we're gonna. Ooh. So we got mussels, lobster, crab legs, and some rice.
Yes.
Oh yeah, that's all we have. Yeah, juicy crabs. All right.
Did you say lobster? Did you say lobster?
Yeah, I said lobster. And what's it called? Potatoes, corn. We got all of that. All of that. Let me stop this recording. I'll be back. Alright, I came back, guys. Had to get this together. I'm about to share her out some lobster. We're gonna talk about relationships, you guys. Do you feel?
Do I feel what?
What's it called? What do you look for in a guy?
First is appearance, because I feel like if they don't have the appearance, then I'll never have that first look at them.
Do you feel like, okay, so what's it called? What about if y'all friends first?
If we're friends first, I don't know. Sometimes it's hard after I done put somebody in the friend zone to actually talk to them.
See, that ain't that hard for me. Well, I'm gonna get some cranberry juice. I'll be back. All right. Ow! I'm back. All right. Yeah. So for me, how many lobster tails you got? 2? Oh yeah. Ooh, that one a little juicy.
Is this 1 or 2?
Yeah,
It's 1.
Girl. Oh, God is good. God is good. Let's thank you for our food by heaven of it. Thank you, Lord, for the break. God bless the hands made food. Jesus' name I pray. Amen.
Amen.
Okay. Oh, juicy crab look like they really put their foot in it.
They did today.
You put what kind of sauce?
The regular sauce.
Mild?
Yeah.
Okay, bet.
I knew you didn't like hot.
Thank you. Good.
See, I thought about you.
But yeah. What I feel like,
Wait a minute.
I would talk to a dude who's, for me, I like is mediocre the right word I should use?
Yeah.
I don't know if I want to call them mediocre, but I don't like too much of a cute guy. Does that make sense? Like, you can't be cuter than me. You have to either compliment me, my look, or you could be a little bit uglier. Yeah. Them pretty boys, they be too much into themselves. So
Not all pretty boys. Some pretty boys be insecure.
facts. That's facts.
And them the ones I don't like. I like somebody with confidence. Not too much, but enough.
Them other boys got confidence.
Yeah, the ugly boy. They be treating you like you. I don't know.
But
Yeah?
my throat.
Girl.
I don't know, but
I was hungry.
I was starving.
Got that hot one.
I'm telling you. But yeah, I want, basically the basic stuff in a relationship. Like when you look for dudes, like they're funny, communication is like on key.
It's hard for communication these days. So.
I feel like people think they have good communication, but they really don't. Like,
it's horrible.
People do lack communication skills for real, for real. Even I myself, I'm not saying that I'm great at it, but I'm pretty decent and I'm still learning.
I'm horrible at it. Like, I forget to text back. If you don't call me, you done lost your chance at that point.
And not even that, but what's it called? Think about the people that, like, you be upset or whatever, and I'm somebody, when I'm upset, give me a day to cool off, then I'll tell you why I was upset. Because if I tell you right there and then, I don't want to argue. Leah, she the type of person, like, when she be eating, she has to eat like one thing. I be dipping and dabbing in everything. I'm like, let me break off of this. You gotta eat that, then, because I gotta eat it while it's hot.
It is hot. It's gonna stay hot with the sauce in there.
That thing could cool off.
They had just gave it to me.
Okay.
Sorry, that was my mama. I cropped all that out. But yeah,
These muscles hitting.
I'm telling you. I'm so glad about the juice, like.
These muscles hitting.
But yeah, I just I don't know. That'd be one thing for me. With dudes, communication.
Sauce in my...
Right now, what's your status? Your relationship status?
Single.
Are you?
I am.
Do you have men you're talking to?
I have.
Y'all, let me tell y'all my theory. You may think you single. You ain't single until both parties agree that you're single. If one person think y'all in a relationship, you ain't single. I'm telling you, because people crazy out here. They're gonna be like, if I can't have you, nobody can. But
That's what you say?
no, I ain't that crazy yet. Not that crazy yet. I haven't found a man that made me that crazy. Like, a nigga made me crazy before, but I ain't that crazy.
But no, I'm single until they make me their girlfriend. So
I don't want a relationship.
I do.
I want a person by me. I definitely don't think I'm ready for a relationship. Like, mentally, I'm not there. So y'all gonna have to give me some time, dudes.
she said that now until that right person comes. And I feel like that's what happens. Like, people never know when they're really ready. You can say you're ready, you can say you're not ready, but until that special person comes through, that's when you're like, oh, I think I'm ready. Or, no, I ain't ready.
Until then, I ain't ready. I'm trying to, there's so much meat in this middle of this tail.
You gotta crack it open.
I'm trying.
Like, you gotta do these folks' hearts. You gotta crack it open.
What you asked me?
What's your YouTube?
Troya Morgan 123.
Hey, that right good.
This is cran apple.
Oh, that's good.
What, cran apple?
But I think I like cran grape better.
I can't even talk right. I told you guys I was gonna open up to you guys about my sickness. So for those, I mean, nobody really knows because I don't really talk about it. But I have Graves' disease. Graves what? Bitch, you dying? Graves' disease? Okay. What Graves' disease is?
You go to the grave early. Under play.
But what Graves' disease is like a hyperthyroid. So like our thyroids are located right here. And what many people don't know is that it's one of the main functions in our body because it literally controls our whole hormonal, like everything about our body. And you know, everybody, so basically what it does is like it triggers sometimes I'll be resting and my heart rate will go up like out of nowhere, like it would just start beating really fast. I would have terrible anxiety. I have mood swings like crazy. Oh, sorry, excuse me. I go through heat flash. Sometimes I get really hot flash. Sometimes I get really cold easily. I slip into depression really easily. It's basically, yeah, like mentally I don't be there like all the time. I think it's really something hard for people to handle because like sometimes like I just be so down and they don't even know like how to respond to me, you know what I mean?
Right.
And because I was diagnosed with it, like I told you guys in my last video, I was diagnosed with it in 2017 or whatever, so it gave me like a whole bunch of hormonal breakouts on my face or whatever, and I was taking pills for it. I'm in remission right now this year. Last time I went to the doctor, they did say it was kind of acting up again. I haven't been back since, and I missed my last appointment, but I know, like I could always feel like when it's acting up. So I'm somebody who's like very susceptible to yeast infections for one. It's really hard for me to have kids. Like I will have, if not miscarriages, then I would have a retarded baby, basically. Like he would have like brain damage. Why you look like that?
Because you don't call them that.
Oh, well, my baby would have brain damage.
Sorry.
That's just the truth. But what else?
Have you met anybody else with Graves' disease?
I recently just met like 2 people or whatever. This one girl was like, she was in remission too, but she got better. Can I die from it? Yes. People have some cases where it's like you have really brittle hair. Your eyes, the one with hyper, which makes you really skinny, which I have, like your eyes start bulging out. You'll have like yellow eyes too. Your skin is like really flaky and flimsy and stuff like that. Like my reflexes is like I over reflect. Ooh, I will over reflect. So like, you know, somebody, okay, you know when the doctors like hit your knee and then like you do a little thing, I be like this jumping. Like I don't know why. Well, I mean I know why now, but I'm just saying like it's just like, it's stuff like that. It's just like the little things that be like so annoying to me or whatever. But those are basically like some of the things that I do suffer with when having it. Sometimes I don't know really how to handle my emotions. But it can turn cancerous. So sometimes you have nausea, insomnia. I've been suffering from that recently. Like I do not go to sleep at night. Yeah, it's just so many things that play a factor, and I feel like this is one sickness that people really just don't really get to know or whatever, because it's not so prominent and people don't really talk about it as much. I think it started shedding light because Wendy Williams have it. So that time, like when she had passed out or whatever, when she was wearing the Statue of Liberty costume, you remember that?
I just remember the headline that she passed out.
Yeah, that time is because of her Graves was acting up, and it's way worse for those who are older, because like that becomes detrimental to them especially. So me catching it at this young age, and hopefully that I will get better, but like my doctor said, it's like a 60-40 chance or whatever, 60% being people make it, 40% no or whatever. I don't know. Hopefully I'm in that 60. God willing, I'm in the 60.
So when you say catch it, is it like
it's hereditary?
Oh, okay. And is it curable?
Yes. To an extent. Like it's either I took the pills like I did last year and become better and it doesn't act up, or you surgically remove it, which they keep saying I'm too young and I don't need to do that, or
so they remove your thyroid or something. So okay.
And if not that, then what's it called, what you call it, they have the pills for hypothyroid. So basically they will give me the counteractive one, so therefore I will start gaining weight, and I don't know how I feel about that either. Because the people with hypothyroids, if you ever seen anybody with like a turkey neck, they probably have that. So I don't know how I feel about that. No, we're not sisters. I was just reading a song.
Oh, no.
But
Yes, we are friends.
but yeah, so that's just like a little thing with what I've been battling with. And going through depression really sucks. Like honestly, it really sucks, because I have like unexplainable moments, you know what I mean? Like sometimes things will hurt my feelings, but in my head it registers it differently. So it's like something that is so small, like I would probably take it to a 10, and it's just like I be overreacting sometimes. Sometimes I do catch myself, and you know, I won't trip about things, but other times it's just like, I don't know, I be so in my head so much. Like I'm an overthinker, and it's so annoying to me. Like I overthink a lot of situations, and it's just like I'm so easy to like slip into depression, and I don't like what it does to me. I don't become a nice person. I don't like it. Just wanted this up here.
Take the whole leg. Eat the whole leg. The whole leg.
Oh, he hurt me. Oh, Charlie. Charlie hurt me. Charlie. What am I supposed to do? I ain't about to bite this. They ain't about to break my teeth.
I mean, if I open, I'm eating it.
So I gotta bite it? Bet. I opened Charlie.
That's what you named it? Charlie?
Yeah. Charlie bit me. Bit me, Charlie.
Charlie, that's really hot.
Everybody here only greeted people now when I'm saying.
No, you did. And you talk about me.
I did do that? It was good.
And Juicy Crab did not sponsor this.
Oh, they definitely didn't. But y'all need to start, because let me tell y'all something.
She come to y'all
Almost. All the time.
twice a week.
I be in there.
And if she ain't going, she talking about,
I want juicy
who
crab.
gonna get me some juicy crab? Liam, you want to give me a lobster today?
Did she get it to me today?
Yes.
She loved it.
That's debatable. Do I love you? Yeah.
I don't know too many friends that's out there getting they friends lobster.
You're right. I love you.
And that's facts. That's on that lower day.
You spit on me trying to open that, by the way.
I'm sorry. It wasn't me. It was Charlie. Brother. Oh, wait.
So you don't know how to open crab legs?
I don't. This is why I don't eat it. Lobster tail is just more easier.
No, not that crab. I mean, lobster tail. It was kind of hard.
Nah, you just ain't. I don't know.
Because it was supposed to come through the middle. That means they broiled it too hard.
What is you, a lobster connoisseur?
Uh-huh.
Okay, shut your
Ask about me. Trey Songz, Chris Brown.
Or Trey Songz, Chris Brown, or who's hot?
Who's hot and who's not?
I don't know. Oh, August.
So you said
Before that. No.
Oh.
I love August.
So, Trav. Oh shit. I mean, shoot. Who? Trey Songz, Chris Brown, or August. Kill August.
Before or after the A's?
After.
So that's why you kill him? Okay. Cause I would have married him before the age, but after the age,
Kiss Chris Brown and
yeah, marry.
Yeah.
I think I would marry Chris Brown. I think we would have fun.
No,
Chris Breeze, and we would have been having dance battles.
But then he's gonna swing across your face.
Okay, he could beat me. I don't care.
Beat you?
He could beat me.
Then you're gonna be wondering why you ain't cute no more. He took your face. Right. Kill, marry, or date. Flavor Flav.
He got cute kids.
Michael Blackson. Or dang, I can't think of that dude's name with the unibrow.
The basketball player? He ain't ugly. He just needs braces and because his unibrow.
So who?
I'll probably marry him. And who you said? Oh,
Michael Blackson.
yeah, I'll probably date him, kiss him,
Yeah.
and kill Flavor Flav. Because him and that watch I ain't got the time for.
Flavor Flav. That's how you do it.
How come mine didn't come out like that?
Okay, girl, you want?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Mine didn't come out like that.
Try with the other one.
Where it came from?
Your femur.
What is that? Is that doodoo?
Well,
This. Why is this?
girl, no, that's part of the.
What part of the what?
The muscle. You know how the muscles be tripping off?
No, it ain't.
Well, then they burn it. It ain't doo-doo.
Here, you can have that part. Here, I want that. No, wait.
Pop off the top. That's like somebody else said.
My brother. This always interests me. What the hell is this in a muscle?
A muscle.
That's what that is? It
Yeah.
look like doo-doo.
You everything look like boo boo to you. You look like boo boo. Is that boo boo? Oh, is that boo boo? Is that boo boo?
I'm full.
I am too, but we did pretty good.
Yeah, and
Honestly.
I wasn't talking really. Okay. But I think we're gonna finish this, but I'm gonna wrap this video up because after, like, okay, so we had talked about relationships, we talked about my sickness, I opened up, congratulations, I opened up to you guys about that, and play Kiss, Marry, Kill. Wow.
Yeah.
I probably look a hot mess. I had grease on my lip.
At least you ain't gotta put lip gloss on.
Right. But this will conclude my video. I'm a mukbang, my mukbang, my mukbang, my mukbang, my mukbang. Oh, that play look good.
Shut up.
It do. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. No, I'm just playing. I'll talk to you guys later.
Peace. We out.
She got her hands up to the roof. I gotta tell the fucking truth. I love the vibe. And I'm not tryna cut her loose. I just got way too much to lose, and we on.